Ladies and gentlemen, this is my car right now. We got tints on the back. It's going to be darker eventually in the afternoon, evening, they said. So this is really cool. I can't wait for it to be done. It is still adjusting to the lighting. We got a visor tint as well. And yeah, shout out to, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, this is day 2. You can still see inside just a little bit. This is day 2 of the window tints. I even got the visor tint over here. This is first car, so this is pretty good, not gonna lie. And then now we're gonna check on day 3. See you all tomorrow. All right, it is currently nighttime. This is what the window tints looks like at nighttime, by the way. Making sure I got the key. All right. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is the car during nighttime. You can still see. I feel like when 20% is like a lot, but not a lot, if you know what I mean, guys. But anyways, yeah.